Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Came downstairs to play with paint again. Seems like I say that every time I start a video, but that's what's going on. I am going to do a little flip and drag today, and I have a couple of new colors mixed up and my favorite old color, this Master's Touch Rogue, which is a dark magenta. I have a light magenta from Master's Touch. I have a Viridian, which is a light turquoise. I have an Island Blue from Anita's. I have my favorite Phthalo blue, some gold, and I'm kind of deciding on the fly what colors I want to put in here, because I'm just going to let it kind of tell me what it wants to turn out to be. Got my little 1 ounce cup here, and I've already prepped my canvas with white paint, and that is just the Artist Loft white that I mixed together. So, get rid of some of my lids here. It's been a little bit nicer outside the last couple of days. It's been above zero, I should say. Nicer isn't quite the word. But we're not sub-zero freezing temperatures like we were. Okay, let's start off with my Island Blue. I'm not going to need very much paint for this. Be very conservative with it. I'm going to go to my Rogue, which is the dark magenta. Put in a little bit of the Phthalo blue. Some of my light magenta. And then, what is this one called? This is Viridian. Just kind of a nice little aquamarine color. Okay, got that about half full. Let's see. Trying to make a decision here if I want a little more in there or not. Can always do with more aquamarine. So, I'm gonna flip this. Give it a minute to settle. Move my colors back out of the way. Bring this back into frame for you here. Okay, let's see. Oh, very nice. Oh, look at the cup. Oh, you can't see. I don't know if I can get you any way of viewing inside that cup, but it looks really cool. I did not put any of my OGX serum, hair serum in this at all today. It's just paint. 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. In some cases there's a little bit of water to thin it out to a good consistency. Get some air bubbles out of here. It's so pretty, I don't want to move it. bit of a rock back and forth here. Looks like I got a good amount of paint on there for what I am trying to achieve. Just kind of a light, nice light look here. Tilt it towards me a little. You can see I have kind of a heavy spot in the middle. Try and work that around. Take my cup and just move it. Colors are very pretty together. Very pretty together. Just trying to even out the consistency, the thickness of my paint on the canvas here, because I really like the way the colors have mixed already. I don't think I'm going to do a lot with it. It's coming off the edge over here very nicely. Might bring some off the other edge. Moving very slowly, which tells me I have just the right amount of paint on there. Okay. Some really pretty cells right here. Very pretty. That is beautiful. I am going to leave it just like it is. It brought the effect that I wanted. I wanted just a nice light, clean line with some nice negative space. Nice bright colors. I'll bring the camera down so you can see a close-up of it. Okay guys, so here we are. Bring you in close so you can see these cool little cells that are going on. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe. That helps me out. You hit the like button. It helps me out also. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.